Labor disputes are on the rise in China as workers become more aware of their rights. Now in Shanghai, law firms say they are seeing 20% more such cases each year. While the protection of workers' rights remains an important priority, there are also an increasing number of disputes involving workers taking advantage of legal loopholes. Now, lawyers warn employers, especially foreign companies hiring in China, to be cautious to avoid pitfalls with the contract law. Channel News Asia's Christine Lim explains.
Law firms in Shanghai are getting busier as an increasing number of employers become embroiled in contract disputes. Karen Lee, a lawyer specializing in contract disputes, says 40% of the cases she handles involve foreign companies.
很多外商进入到这个中国境内投资的时候，他对于我们现在就是关于劳动者的一个权利保护的法律，他可能不是特别能够理解，包括程序上的，包括实体上的，可能都有别于咱们国外的这个法律。
The most common disputes involve monetary compensation when contracts are terminated. According to the Chinese contract law, the employer has to compensate 2 months of salary for every year of service in the event of illegal termination. Even at the end of a fixed contractual period, the law requires companies to pay 1 month's salary for every year of employment, unless it can prove the employee resigned of his own accord.
这一点的话，也被很多员工利用。有些员工他自己不愿意在这个公司里工作了，到期了，他不愿意续约了，等到离职了一段时间，他就告原来的公司说，我到期了之后，公司没有跟我续约，所以说我工作了2年，他要赔我2个月。那公司如果在这个过程中没有做好充分的这个我们说举证，他没有证明说我是主动要他续约，是他自己不想续约的话，公司反过来还是要赔钱的。
Foreign companies entering China through mergers, joint ventures or acquisitions have also faced tricky human resource challenges.
如果你雇了原来的你资产收购的这个雇主这边的一个员工的话，这个员工过来之后，他的原来的工龄是连续计算的，你要裁掉这个员工要赔偿的时候，你要1年赔1个月，那几年要算上，要加进去了。 这样的话，这个赔偿成本就非常高了。
The majority of legal suits are raised by workers, as it costs almost nothing for employees to seek arbitration. But for employers, these are costly reminders of the changing labor landscape in China. The contract law in China is biased towards employees, traditionally seen as the weaker party. It took effect from 2008, taking into account the need to protect workers' interests and safeguard employment amidst an economic crisis. But that has also put companies at a huge disadvantage when loopholes get exploited. Now, lawyers say a revised contract law is in the pipeline, but with the current global economic downturn, that revision may be put further on hold. Meanwhile, the advice is for companies to strengthen their management in China and to engage HR experts familiar with the labor law here to avoid such pitfalls. Christine Lim, Channel News Asia, Shanghai.